Hello everybody, what's up? Welcome to another video and welcome to this weekend vlog. I am currently in front of Banke's house. Banke is a friend of mine. We are going out tonight. It's Friday night. It's payday weekend, which means people have gotten paid. People have some money. I got some money to spend. Just a little bit of money, but some money to spend. First place we're going to is Tai Tai. Tai Tai has, I think, the best happy hour because the drinks are actually worth the full price, and then the drinks are now half price, and plus they have drink specials and they have food specials. So Tai Tai is where I'm gonna go to pre-game. We're going to Tai Tai first, then we are going to go to Downfall. So I'm not playing this week at Downfall, but A is playing this week, and I am so happy because you guys know how much I love A. Currently in front of her house, waiting for her to come downstairs. Hopefully it's a good night. I can't wait for tonight. I've wanted to party. I feel like every weekend I want to party. Every weekend I want to just like just, you know, enjoy myself. But this weekend I've felt the need to enjoy myself way more than before. So hopefully tonight is a good night. Just got to Tai Tai. I'm with the beautiful Banke. Why are you hiding?
I have to pop out because I'm fabulous.
So we're at Tai Tai right now. Oh, we're almost at Tai Tai. No, it's second floor. See how many? See how many? It's second floor.
I knew that.
No, you didn't.
I did.
No, you didn't.
Totally did.
No, you didn't. Are you proud of yourself?
Always.
Please, let's go. Tai Tai. Happy hour. Happy hour. I love the deco at Tai Tai. Whenever you enter Tai Tai, this is what you meet, and I love it so much. Banke is so happy. For someone that really didn't want to come out, see her.
I'm always happy.
See her dancing and I don't know. In our drinks, and Banke has taken my drink hostage because she's taking pictures. The funny thing is that she didn't want to come here before. Like, I literally had to beg her to come to Tai Tai with me. And now she's like all about the drinks, all about taking pictures, and all about all that stuff. Like, she won't allow me to take my drink. She won't allow me to drink my cocktail. Look at Banke. She has held my cocktail to hostage. She doesn't want me to drink anymore.
You got lipstick on my straw.
That's not
fucking up my picture, man.
That's your business. I don't care.
You should drink it before you...
She's not allowing us to drink. She's taking
You guys
pictures.
don't understand my creative process.
Which creative process?
It's a process.
A process of what?
Getting the best picture, man.
Banke is taking such a long time to decide what to order.
Because you don't just put anything in your mouth.
I agree, but you gotta be fast.
So should I get the tom yum or the tom kha?
I don't know the difference, but I do know I want to get another cocktail, and I'm gonna get spring rolls. The lights at Tai Tai is so good. I look like a bronzy golden goddess. Like, this yellow light, just everything.
Everything.
So we have left Tai Tai, and now we are going to Downfall. Now we're going to Downfall. This is the first time I'm coming to Downfall and I couldn't get parking inside, so it's slightly upsetting. Oh, actually there's a door here. Let's go through here. Great Downfall. I come here almost every Friday. Like, for the past 2 months I've been here literally every Friday. Hi Banke.
My twins big like Tia. My twins big like Tia.
Hey, 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 hey. Banke is leaving, but I'm here with my brother. Back from my night out, and this is what I'm doing, guys. I'm uploading this weekend's vlog. This is what I do. I come back home, sometimes I go to bed straight, or I work, and this is work for me. I'm up at 12:40 a.m. Good morning. Good morning. It is Saturday morning, 9:41 a.m. My plans for today are pretty simple. One, I am going to go get a manicure and pedicure from Apples and Oranges. I was supposed to get it done yesterday, but I wasn't able to fit in an appointment with all of the stuff I had to do. Plus, I didn't have my car yesterday. And then after, I'm going to be going to a movie, picnic, just like, you know, one of those things that happen in the park, and there's picnic, there's food, there's alcohol, all those things all together. I'm going for that. My friend Ziggy is putting it together. I think it's actually called The Barn. So yeah, so we're gonna go watch a movie, eat some good food, have a few drinks, enjoy myself. Today is one of those kind of low-key. So I just got here and they've asked me to choose my color polish. I don't know which one I should choose. For my feet, I definitely will do a nude. I always do nude for my toes. So maybe I'll go with this one for my toes. But for my fingernails, I don't know. I don't know which one I'll go with. Maybe this. This does look really pretty. Yeah, I'll go with this. Pretty my toes look. And then look at my hands. I got blue on my hands and I got pink on my tippy toes. Ooh, this light is so good. Like, look how glowy I am. Anyway, I'm in Oniru for my friend's house party thing. We are outside. We have blankets. People are on that side chilling. I'm in charge of the music, which is what is playing right now. Just here, chilling, enjoying myself, I guess, and enjoying this beautiful sunlight that's coming through. Good morning, guys. It is Sunday morning and I am here in Ikeja. I am in Ikeja for the protest, for the Koza protest. If you don't know, if you've been hiding under a rock or if you're nowhere near social media or anything, there's a pastor, Biodun Fum something, I don't really care, and apparently he has raped, molested, sexually assaulted different women, and the one that came out, the one that's spurring all of this is Busola Dakolo, who is Timi Dakolo's wife. Apparently Koza has beefed up security and now there's armed police at the plaza that we're meant to meet at and everything. I'm just upset. I'm appalled that this kind of thing is happening, that we have men of God, you know, using God's words and God's name and just perpetrating all these fucking silly acts as a victim of sexual assault and as a victim of rape. This is not cool. This is very, very far from cool. This is infuriating. This is fucking pissing me off that there are people in positions of power taking advantage and harming sexually. I just hate the fact that there's a man called a pastor who is raping people and going away scot fucking free. Already we live in a country where it's very hard to get a rape conviction. It's very hard for victims to come out because of all the slut shaming and everything. Now somebody has come out and he is still, oh god, it's so upsetting. It's so upsetting. So I want to do my part. I want to protest. I can't stay for long because I have to go meet Barely and Bigfoot to shoot the promo video and to go to the location of the event so that we can sort out logistics and stuff. But I just had to do something. I had to come here to just play my part, just say a couple of things. As you can see, my hair is still in the terrible buns that I put it in every night I go to sleep. In fact, I didn't even wash my face or brush my teeth. I literally just jumped out of bed. I jumped out of bed and I brushed my teeth and everything. Those guys there were staring at me as I was vlogging. I literally jumped out of bed. I didn't brush my teeth. I hope my mouth doesn't smell. So there's a group of us on that side right there. They've crossed the road there on that side. And there's also a group of us on this side right here. So we have to cross the road so we can join them. I want to cross the road so I can get closer to them. So I'm standing behind my friend and we're right in front of the church. The church is on the opposite street. That's the police right there in front of the church. Right there. So I'm just standing here. Shegu is my bodyguard. Hi Shegu, say hello to the camera. Hey. Shegu is my bodyguard, so I'm using him to hide so that the police won't see me with like my phone and want to like say something. But apparently nothing is happening because there are other photographers and people there, and so far there's been nothing at all. Not to rape! 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 So I'm finally here at Edwin's event. I wasn't able to come earlier because I was on set with Verily and we had a lot of things that were going on, so I'm late. But I'm sorry, Edwin, I'm really sorry. I got a cocktail because I've had a long day. I've legit been on my feet. Like I've been awake since like 6:30, 7 a.m. You're changing face. This is the real Edwin. That is the real Edwin, guys. That is the real Edwin.
I was just joking.
It's joke. Hi, Winston. How you doing? I'm so sorry I wasn't here earlier.
So fucking tired.
But you happy the people buy clothes?
Yes, they did.
Yay!
Yay.
Yay, people bought clothes. This is the new collection. Edwin's new stuff. You guys should know this one. Recognize this dress. I wore this out, but this is the dress I really want. This is so cute. Super cute. And then there's this one, which I think is amazing. This one. We have this one.